If you were able to put away Carlton Wallace and gun-related charges, you can contest him brother for the seat if him return.
Tony, let me tell you something. I don't worry about trivial things because things have a way of working themselves out. The next general election, I will be named as the official runner for the constituency. And you see, when that happens, Marcus Wallace will have to find another seat to run for, or another job for that matter.
Yet you don't know when the next general election is. And you don't know about Marcus Wallace's condition. When me and him brother did a link, the last thing me hear is that he's coming around nicely. That not sound good for you. And let's say him not come back for him seat. You still want a well-funded campaign. Rumor has it, you don't really have the most popular polls. Not true?
Where you get that information?
So you think me and you would have do business and me not seek the necessary information? And let me give you some stats. Your popularity rate is 30% and falling. So if an election was to be called now, you will be eaten alive. Maybe not to fund the other party.
It no matter who you decide to fund. As politicians, we have to work within certain limits of the law.
You never make it seem like you have limitation when the first time we meet up. You make it seem like you reign supreme. Or was it just a facade to take my money?
That's a myth you want it to be true. You couldn't expect I could have free hand in everything. I'm not God.
On to the next thing. Brother, you say you located the container. When we can get it?
I have a lawyer who will write the WAF to tell them about the unlawful search of a container and that they can't open it.
Everton. I'm sure the container open already. From Mullins involved, that's it.
If Mullins is involved, that's even better for me. Because his little PR agency do have the right to confiscate any container from the wharf. Much less search it.
Anything you do it fast. Because my time will run out. And if my time run out, your time run out too.
I check me.
I promise you.
You just remember that you need me to be legitimate in this country. I gave you all the political and judicial links that I have. And you still going to need them.
Glad you point that out. But remember one thing. Them are your friend. But them dep on my payroll. One thing about this beautiful island, and money run things. Plus you now go on the opposition know where your campaign money are come from. So here what? Do the right thing. Sort out the container issue and save yourself the political embarrassment.
Where are you over here, Tony?
Daily, this is a private property. Away from prying eyes. Plus, you say you don't want your security to know where you go.
I mean, yeah, talk to you. I know several places in Kingston that we could have gone that is private. You're up to something else. So what is it?
Here said the seafood go over here.
Just remember this. Anything you're going to do, we need details of it. Especially about the container. Because I don't want nothing backfire for me.
Oh, so you're concerned now? Just go and go do what you're supposed to do. Me I go do what me need to do.
I'll be in touch.
Oh, and Everton. Don't call unless it's to move the container. Miranda.
Tony, what want for me with them container?
Miranda, hit me a deal with.
There's some deadly people them you deal with, you know, Tony.
Miranda, we say I hit me a deal with.
Look, what offer me?
Alright.
What's the problem?
Are we responsible for that?
What exactly are you speaking of? The arrest or the methodology?
Both.
As it relates to the arrest, sleeper we had on the ground observed certain motions and put in a call and they were apprehended.
But I heard that when the police team got there, they were in that position.
It was a little difficult to maintain control of them with just one person without handcuffs enough to go around. But I'm reliably informed that they just fell in line.